Okay, welcome back, guys. In this video we have a new project. We picked this up a while ago, but I'm just now getting to show you guys it. Yeah, so let's show you guys, I guess. There it is. So, what we got here is a Yamaha TTR 90cc pit bike. It's all dirty right now because we've been riding it. But yeah, it was purple and black. And I paint stripped. They did like paint remover and stripped all the old paint off of it and got it back to its blue. So it looks a lot better now. But yeah, been messing around with the idle and everything. There's quite a bit wrong with it. The carburetor was held on by one bolt, so surprisingly it was idling, but when the second bolt came out, it no longer was idling. So I secured that thing back on, then I had to readjust it and everything, and I think I just got it pretty darn perfect today. And yeah, I'll start it up for you guys because you guys probably want to hear what it sounds like. So it is a little bit here. It is a little bit of a cold-blooded machine, the way I have it, because when you warm it up, then the idle's too high. So I have it basically perfect, I think. So yeah, it does have push button start, but I don't have a battery for it, so I just kick start it. But you see, it idles pretty good. But when it gets warmed up and you run it around on the trails and stuff, after that it would idle forever basically. But if you're really worried about it, it does have a choke you can use to make it run a little bit better. But yeah, it's been sitting for a while, so it's cold again. But yeah. Idling a lot better now. So after you just ride it for a little bit, like that was just a really small loop and you can already tell it's idling way better, so yeah. Yup. It's been fun. But yeah, since it is all dirty, I am going to bring it to the car wash here and wash it up a little. Okay guys, so we made it to the car wash. Got the dirt bike unloaded and ready to give it a little wash. So yeah, got it sitting right here. And I'm gonna set you guys up somewhere and you can watch me clean it. Get it all nice and shiny. Okay guys, just got done with the car wash, or washing the dirt bike at the car wash. Yeah, it's me. That looks pretty stiffy. Pretty good. I didn't latch the seat back on when I was washing it. I didn't latch it on correctly. So I'll have to fix that, but look at that. Look at it shine. Looks real nice. Heck yeah. Okay guys, so we've made it back home. Got the dirt bike right there. It's all nice and shiny and clean. I'm gonna order a graphic kit for it, and it needs a rear brake cable thing to it, so I gotta order a new rear brake cable, and I gotta tighten the rear sprocket thingies. No, the little, like, these type of things. I need to tighten these on the rear wheel, and yeah, stay tuned for the next video on the little dirt bike, or pit bike I should say. But yeah, it's been super fun having it. Yeah, I'm gonna get some parts ordered, and stay tuned, like, subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos, and yeah, see you guys in the next one. Bye.